how to have this education. Like, what's the source of getting such fine education in our lives? So for this, you just have to look at yourself first. What you are lacking. Really educated. Nobody actually thinks that he or she is not educated. Only the other person tells you are not so good, you are not behaving in such a proper manner. None can destroy iron, but its own rust can. Likewise, none can destroy a person, but his own mindset can. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is me Manita. I'm here to deliver some of my words on the very crucial topic of all times. And this is, what is the real meaning of education? Or we can say, what do you know about education? What do you mean about education? But before that, let me just thank my sir who gave me this opportunity to be here and to be the part of this session. So, can I ask something? What is education? Any one of you. What do you mean by education? Yes, come on. Give me some of your opinions. What actually the education is all about?
Yeah, of course. Vishayus, come on. Say something.
Getting a knowledge.
Getting a knowledge? Yes. Anyone else? No one? Okay, fine. Education is not a thing that you think. It is something more of it. Education is something that makes you yours. Education is something that could help you, that could provide you a way to achieve something, to be successful in your life, to be something, to be a person who can just help the society as a whole. So, talking about what is education, I just gave you the answer, that education is the most important medium to be what you actually want in your life, to be as a medium to change the social outlook, to change the society, and to bring up your country and the world as a whole. So now I just want to talk about why is this important? Why education is so crucial for all of us? Can anyone just tell me a certain reason? Any one of you? Why education? Why you all are sitting here and learning something? Why you all are here? Yes?
Survive in a society, to survive in a world.
Yes, correct. Anyone else? Why education? Okay, just let me give you an example. Suppose a situation in which you are not educated. How are you going to survive in this society? Are you able to pay your bills? Are you able to feed your family? Are you able to change the social outlook? Whatever discrimination we all are facing in today's time, are you able to change that without education? Just give me something. Just tell me. Obviously, the answer is no, for sure. Because education is very important for all of us. In case if you want to change the mentality of a person, in case you want to have certain freedom in your family, in case you want to feed your family, in case to earn, in case to have a luxurious life, education is everywhere. And education is the key to success. Education is the key to change, to bring a change in today's time. Not only this, I just want to focus. Education is not only about bookish knowledge. It's not only about just leaning into your books all the time. Education is to stand up, look ahead, what the society actually wants from you. What is the need of today's time? Education is this. Education is not just to learn, just to grab, it is more of the spiritual, the moral education. Suppose a person is there who is not so well educated, not a CEO of any company, but if he is more morally educated, if he is more down to earth, if he is more empathetic about a person's situation, that person would be more favorable in the society, and we want such kinds of people in the society, not a person who is earning, who is making money all the time, but is not knowing what to do, how to just behave in a society, how to be a good person, how to be a human actually. They don't know this. So we don't want such kinds of people. We want an educated person who is well educated from his mind, from his soul, from his behavior. Not just that bookish or not just with printing or making money. How to have this education? How? Like, what's the source of getting such fine education in our lives? So for this, you just have to look at yourself first. What you are lacking, what qualities you don't actually have, and just then go for it and just try to indulge in such activities. If you think you are not morally educated, nobody actually thinks that he or she is not educated. Only the other person tells you are not so good, you are not behaving in such a proper manner. But when you start realizing your own mistakes, you start realizing your own deficiency in something, whatsoever it is, at that point, you'll have your first step towards the real education. The education is to be morally taught well, to be morally educated, to have knowledge, to be enough knowledgeful so that you can have the potential to bring a change in the society. It's not always about that you have the knowledge and you'll keep it with yourself. It's not it. Education doesn't teach this. Education teaches you how to be empowered, or especially this type of education has always been imparted by our parents as well to all of us. So at the very initial stage, it's only you and your parents who have been indulged in this education circle. So that's it.
All right.
Thank you very much for your kind attention, and I'll be back with some more important points.
Moving on.